How to stay focused. When studying English, the science of attention. Hey everyone, welcome back to Smart English Start. Do you ever sit down to study English but find yourself distracted just a few minutes later? Maybe your phone notifications keep pulling your attention away, or your mind starts thinking about something completely unrelated. You're not alone. The ability to focus deeply is a skill, and like any skill, it can be trained. In today's video, we'll explore the science of focus and attention, and I'll show you practical, science-backed techniques to help you concentrate while studying English, so you can learn faster and retain more. Why is it so hard to stay focused? Your brain isn't designed for long periods of deep focus. It evolved to constantly scan the environment for dangers and new stimuli. Modern life makes this worse. Social media and notifications train your brain to seek constant stimulation. Multitasking forces your brain to switch between tasks, reducing efficiency and memory retention. Mental fatigue builds up quickly when you try to study for long hours without breaks. The good news? You can train your brain to focus longer and deeper using proven techniques. Step 1. Use the Pomodoro Technique for maximum efficiency. Trying to study for hours at a time is a mistake. Your brain has a limited attention span and needs breaks to process information effectively. The Pomodoro Technique helps you maximize focus while preventing burnout. Set a timer for 25 minutes and study with 100% focus. Take a 5-minute break, stretch, grab water, or do deep breathing. Repeat this cycle 4 times, then take a longer 15 to 30-minute break. This method works because it respects your brain's natural focus rhythms, allowing for deep work without exhaustion. Try this. Set a timer right now for 25 minutes and challenge yourself to study without any distractions. Step 2. Remove all distractions and create a focus zone. Your study environment has a huge impact on how well you can concentrate. If you're surrounded by distractions, your brain will struggle to stay focused. Turn off phone notifications or put your phone in another room. Use noise-canceling headphones or play background white noise. Find a consistent study location. Train your brain to associate that place with deep focus. Try this. Before your next study session, remove at least one major distraction and see how much better you can focus. Step 3. Train your brain to ignore distractions with deep work. Most people study passively, watching videos, reading textbooks, or doing exercises without full mental engagement. Instead, you need to practice deep work, where you focus on one high-impact task at a time. For example, instead of practicing listening, try understanding 90% of a 3-minute podcast without subtitles. Instead of learning vocabulary, try using 5 new words in real sentences today. Setting specific and measurable goals keeps your brain engaged because it sees clear progress. Try this. Before you start studying today, write down a measurable goal, like learn 5 new expressions and use them in a sentence. Step 4. Use the attention reset trick when you feel distracted. Even with the best environment and habits, your mind will still wander sometimes. Instead of getting frustrated, use this trick. Stop for 10 seconds and take a deep breath. Ask yourself, what was I supposed to be doing right now? Restart your task with full attention. This method interrupts distractions and resets your focus, allowing you to regain control. Try this. The next time you get distracted, pause for 10 seconds and refocus. Final challenge, train your focus for 1 week. For the next 7 days, use the Pomodoro Technique for all study sessions. Create a distraction-free study environment. Set measurable study goals before each session. Comment below, what's your biggest struggle with focusing? Let's improve together. Train your mind, stay focused, and see you in the next video.